Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to redline a Word document step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the Review tab in your Word document. Step 3. Click on the Track Changes button in the tracking group to enable it. You'll know it's enabled when the button is highlighted. Step 4. Click on the small arrow at the bottom right corner of the tracking group to open the Track Changes Options dialog box. Step 5. From the Color drop-down menu of Insertions in the Markup section, select the blue color. Then click OK to apply the changes. Click OK again to close the dialog box. Step 6. From the Simple Markup drop-down menu, select the Markup Area Highlight option. Step 7. Highlight the text you want to comment on. Step 8. Click on New Comment in the Comments group of the Review tab to add feedback to the highlighted text. You'll see your feedback appear in the right side edits bar. Step 9. Edit your document as needed. Step 10. To accept a change, select the change and click on Accept in the Changes group of the Review tab. Each time you click Accept or Reject, it will move to the next track change. And that's it. Thanks for watching.